What kind of career do you do and make this good?
I'm a mechanic, but it's hard to do what I do.
You cannot find a job as a mechanic?
Yes, your judge.
What type of mechanic are you?
I work on mechanical bulls. It's not very easy.
All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1002, Green versus Green.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Green, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
All rise. Judge Vanderbeek. Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 100002, Green versus Green. Thank you. You all may be seated. In today's case, things take a surprising turn. Mr. Green has brought this matter before the court, and it's one you won't want to miss. We have a man who used to work with mechanical bulls. Yes, mechanical bulls, who is now asking the court for child support from his ex-wife, the actual custodial parent. That's right. He filed for divorce, quit his job, and now wants money from the person actually raising their child. This one is going to be wild. So buckle up and stay locked in.
I don't have any of my paperwork with me, but basically I need to get child support. I don't have a job right now. Elle's working, but now that we're separated, I recently filed for divorce, so I can't support the kids when they're over at our place, and honestly, it'd be great if I could get a little bit of child support to take care of the kids.
So let me get this straight. You guys are married. You filed for divorce.
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am.
And you're seeking child support from her?
Yes, that's correct, Your Judge.
Who does these children live with?
Do these children live with you? That's the basic question. And right here, boom, he admits he doesn't even have his paperwork. That's how unprepared he came to court. Bro just walked in on pure vibes like, I need money, as if this is a GoFundMe and not an actual legal proceeding. If I were the judge, man, Your Honor, I'd be side-eyeing so hard. Like, sir, you don't have custody, no documents, no plan, just a handout and a prayer. And then he says, they're also at my what? At your what, sir? Your imagination? Because it's sure not your house.
They're also at my place on the weekdays.
On weekends. They come see you on weekends, okay?
Weekends.
Okay. Weekends. So you're a non-custodial parent?
No, Your Judge.
Excuse me?
I said, no, Your Judge.
No, you're a non-custodial parent, which means that she should receive the child support benefit, not you.
See, I'm honestly new to this whole thing. I'm not sure how it's supposed to work.
Catch that? He swears he's not the non-custodial parent. But the kids don't even live with him. This man really tried to redefine custody like it's a game of Uno. Sir, you can't just throw down a reverse card and say no to facts. That's not how court works. You know I'm sitting here like, be serious right now.
If I don't have a job right now, I can't take care of the kids when they come over. I mean, I can barely afford.
Wait a minute.
I barely afford to keep myself in an apartment.
You have common sense though, right?
I'd like to think my mama gave me common sense. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so then you should understand that if the children are living with her, and just because you're unemployed, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't be paying her child support.
But
if the children live with her, yes.
Your Judge, how am I supposed to pay? Like, how am I supposed to take care of the kids? If
you're supposed to get a job, exactly.
Exactly. Asterisk get a job, asterisk. And here it comes. The judge hits him with a dose of pure common sense. Just because you're broke doesn't mean you automatically qualify for child support. She said it plain and simple. Get a job. And how does he respond? Oh, he fires back with the worst excuse of the century. Like, wait for it. You're not ready for the level of nonsense he's about to drop.
I'm a mechanic, but it's hard to do what I do.
You cannot find a job as a mechanic?
Yes, Your Judge.
What type of mechanic are you?
I work on mechanical bulls. It's not very easy for me to get work because right now there's just not a lot of bulls needed in the wintertime. It just doesn't happen.
Okay,
so right now
you can find something else, right?
That's what I keep telling him, but he's very picky about the job.
Well, and I have to explain to her all the time that all the same, all right? Like, I can't just work on a car because I wasn't trained that way. I went to school. Like, I don't have the opportunity.
Oh, it's getting better. You went to school, so you have a skill set, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can use it for something other than mechanical bulls.
Yes, like supporting your kids.
Is that right? Is it yes or no? I don't need all the extra.
Yes, I went to school, but no, it doesn't apply.
You know what?
It doesn't.
You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, ma'am, I didn't. I just want to take care of my kids, and I can't do that if I don't make money.
Take care of your kids? You're going to go get another job. And even if you don't want it to happen today, you're going to be ordered to pay her child support. And it looks like you just stopped working in July.
Yes, I did. I did quit in July right before I filed for divorce.
You quit in July right before you filed for divorce because you felt like you wouldn't have to pay child support. You really thought that she was going to pay it to you.
Maybe I'll throw myself on the mercy of the floor of the court here, honestly, because I thought that when you are separated from a loved one and you have kids, that's what I was told. My daddy paid child support. I know how it works.
Oh,
I'm just saying. I thought she would pay because how much? If kids are going to be with me, I can't feed them goldfish. I can't pay for it.
Workforce Committee. This is what we're going to do. I have from that $45,600. I have your gross at $3,800. Excuse me. What's going on here? I'm making my ruling, and you are speaking to someone else that is not a party to this case. Who is that?
Just a friend trying to help me out.
Okay. Well, obviously, sir, child support.
Wait,
okay, thanks.
You're judging. Am I paying child support? I can't afford. If I'm asking for child support, how can I pay it?
How? After you listen to me, and I tell you what the amount is. So your gross is $3,800, which brings your net to $3,112.11. Yes, grab a Snickers because you're going to be here a minute. Health insurance reimbursement to mom is $167. So based on that, I have your total child support monthly obligation of $945.